Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to get Unionbank statement of account. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you get your statement of account for Unionbank? Well, currently, if you want to look for your statements via the mobile application in Unionbank, you won't see it because currently that is not yet available in their mobile app. Now, in this case, this is directly from their website, which is unionbankph.com. Now, it says here that to request for a copy of your statement of account, you can visit any branch near you or contact them by phone or email. So, for your convenience, download Unionbank online and sign up for your account to view your transactions anytime. But in this case, statement of account is not exactly in there, but you can see your transactions in there, believe me. Now, in this case, if you want to have a formal statement of account for your account, what you need to do here is you need to contact them. Now, if you want to view their contact details, what you need to do is go to their website here, which is unionbankph.com, and at the top right, you see the contact us section. Now, in this case, if you click on the option that says directory, it's going to lead you into their directory here, wherein you'll be able to see the open time for that specific branch for Unionbank. Now, you also be able to see their phone number here and their mobile number as well. Now, in this case, what you need to do is just look for the nearest branch in your location and possibly visit them or contact them via your mobile phone or by phone. Now, if you want to contact them via email, well, you could go ahead and go to their contact page here, wherein you need to provide the following details. So that includes your title, first name, last name, contact number, as well as your email. Now, from here, just choose the appropriate options, enter the subject and the message itself, and just confirm that you're not a robot and just press on send here. Now, from there, just wait for them to reply to you and just mention that you want to have your statement of account printed out or you want a copy of your statement of account. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.